All right, Sherry. So this is another, I guess, video to help you with kind of adding lists. So like I told you, you're just going to go into login. I'm sorry. You're just going to go to login, and then you're going to look for particular properties based off of the information that I provide you. So this one is going to be Woodside. You're going to pull it up, right? Scroll that back in. So that's the information we have. I think we have already a list, my list for Woodside. So it's SF Metro Woodside code violation. So do the same thing. So we go to lookup. And since we've already done these two, we're just going to go to the next one, which is 15 Montesino Drive. Pull that up. Yep, Woodside. There we go. Double click on it. Looks like it's $3 million. We're just going to go ahead and add that to the SF. It's going to be alphabetical, so it's going to be the SF Metro Woodside CV. So you have to be very careful about which list you pick because there's so many of these. That's what's going to be. Leave it there, and then we're done. And then we just want to double check to confirm that that one actually hit that list. So right here, we got 3 and we hit it, right? So you're going to do that with all these properties in this particular Excel sheet which I'll send you. And so I'm just going to exit out of that for now. This is the actual code violation tracker. So I imagine you can probably do about 40 of these per hour, right? That's my guess. And since there's 118 addresses for the Woodside, I think it should take you just about 3 hours to finish that. The next ones I'll send you will be Burlingame, Redwood City, and San Mateo. Same thing. It's just, I guess, a division problem. I'm just figuring out how many lines there are total. I think you can do about 40 per hour. And so that's what I'm calculating. So I kind of expect these ones to kind of be done. This one to be done in 3 hours. This one to be done in 3 hours. So pretty much tomorrow you can probably knock these two out. And then Redwood City, you probably take another day, which may be Saturday or the following Monday. And then San Mateo will probably be, a couple days. So let me know if you have any questions, but I will always kind of give you this reference for how many hours I think you should be spending on these, and then you can go from there. But otherwise, if you don't have any other questions, I'd love to see what you have. So talk to you soon.